पारुल जब हमारी ज़िंदगी में आई, उसके पहले हमारा एक बेटा था रोहिताश, तो हमेशा इच्छा थी कि वी वांट डॉटर। तो ईश्वर ने हमें 2 बेटियां दी, पहले पारुल बड़ी और उसके बाद मीनल।
She was the one who was always adjusting. Me and Bhaiya would be fighting and she would sit in the middle. Okay, please, don't fight, don't fight. I'll sit in the middle seat. You guys don't fight. And we would still be fighting. And she was always the, she was always calming everyone, peacemaker.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone.
और खुश रखती है, जॉली है,
बहुत ही एंजॉय करती है।
पारुल शुरू से हमेशा चुलबुली रही है, खुद भी खुश रहती है, दूसरों को भी खुश रखती है, हमेशा हंसती रहती है। her intelligence and sense of humor is very good.
I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
She is one of the kindest person I know. Seriously, she's one of the sweetest, most nice-natured person. Even right now, she's just bothered about what everyone is doing and how everyone is. She's the most generous person I know. I'm not making this shit up.
I will not let
might seem that she can't take on responsibility when it comes to actually doing things. Once she's on it, she'll do it full on.
Exactly.
There's no stopping her once she's up to it. So that is one big thing about it.
All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Oh, Rahul, मतलब I mean all my friends they remember the dialogue that I put कि चिराग लेके भी खोजोगे तो ऐसा रूममेट नहीं मिलेगा.
बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई हाय बन्नो रे बन्नो
बहुत ग्रेट सा फीलिंग हुई कि एक मेरा एक पार्ट मुझे मिला. मदर बन गए तो नेचुरली बहुत अच्छा लगा. ये तो खुशी में इतना भागे गिर गए थे.
रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा, कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया.
Rahul had this funny habit. I don't know whether he still possesses it. He used to rotate his hair like this, and I've noticed this since 2004. And today we made him to do that. I think he still has that, although I think the intensity of that might have reduced.
No, he does it during exam time. He does this.
No, with me he used to do it always.
टूटी जार पाई वही ठंडी पुरवाई रास्ता देखे. हाँ दूधों की मलाई वही मिट्टी की सुराही रास्ता देखे.
He's very feeble at heart, very gentle. He's taken care of me every time I've fallen. He's always picked me up, given me a lesson to learn. He's always been besides me. He's always taken me from strength to strength. And I really appreciate that I'm blessed with a brother like him.
रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा, कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया. रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा संग तेरे है सवेरा. रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे फकीरा रे फकीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा संग तेरे है सवेरा. रे फकीरा रे फकीरा संग तेरे है सवेरा. रे कबीरा रे कबीरा.
Rahul's cupboard had the books in height order. Had his underwear by the date that he bought them.
Exactly.
And his shirts were in that order also by the date he bought them, which he's going to wear next. And on his table, there would be 2 pens and 1 toothbrush between them. If by chance somebody picked up a pen and put on the other side, he would get out of bed if he was in deep sleep and arrange it again. So just for kicks, what we used to do is rearrange his books, and then he would get out of bed even in deep sleep and he would rearrange it.
ऐसी क्या चली हवा के ले गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास. तू मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा. मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी. पर ये दिल तब से है कहने लगा तू 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 मेरी री मैं तेरा रा होने लगा मैं तेरा रा तू मेरी री होने लगी न जानू मैं न जाने तू हुआ ये जादू कैसे जो मेरा था वो खो गया जो तेरा मिल गया हो जैसे इस दिल ने जब जाना के बस तू 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 मेरी री मैं तेरा रा होने लगा मैं तेरा रा तू मेरी री होने लगी जहाँ आके लग जाए गले जैसे तू चले और दुनिया तेरे संग चले जैसे रात चुपके से तेरे कानों में कहे कि अब तो जाने क्यों तू 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 मेरी री मैं तेरा रा होने लगा मैं तेरा रा तू मेरी री होने लगी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास तू 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 मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा
We went to Yamunanagar with me, my parents, and he was, auntie was making us puris, Rahul's mother, and he was serving puris to us. And Parul said, I fell in love with the puri. Such a cute boy, he's helping his mother serve puris.
मेरा सजना मिले आ सजना मिलन वदाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी वेड़ा सजया मेरा सजना मिले
So it was after I finished work, I was going to catch a bus, and so I was walking down talking to him, and he's like, yeah, I've met this girl in Mumbai, and you know, she's good to talk to, and she's very cheeky, and she's talkative, and you know, it seems that things are getting, you know, working out, and it might click. And so that's when I realized that, you know, my brother's getting crazy about the girl.
दिन शगना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियो नी वेड़ा सजया हाँ हाँ मेरा सजना मेरे आ सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी मेरा सजना
We would keep telling Parul that your Yamunanagar boy, your Yamunanagar boy. For 1 year, we teased her and she kept saying, no, 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 I don't like him that much.
And
I don't
suddenly
like him.
one day she wanted to marry him.
हाँ.
टोलना वे रंजन माही टोलना वे हीर जोगनी टोलना वे टोलना तू मेरा नसीबा टोलना वे टोलना मैं जुगनी तेरी टोलना जावा ना मैं बिन शहनाइयां सतरंगी रूबाइयां सुना जा तू अर जाइया जावा ना मैं बिन शहनाइयां
हाँ, राहुल एंड पारुल आप देखो तो इनके नाम में भी सिर्फ एक ही लेटर का फर्क है, पी और आर।
शामियाना सजावा डोली लेके मैं आवा आतिशबाजी करा के
See how they met, it was an arranged thing. Okay, so because of the parents, family, everything. She did there was an immediate spark thing, but they took it slow. They wanted to take their time and think and everything. And then it got finalized in a very spontaneous way. Like they hadn't really decided. He was coming over to her place and everything. And next thing I know, she gives me a call and says that, roka ho gaya mera. Like, I'm fixed.
Like a swinging vine, swing my heart across the line. In my face is flashing signs. Seek it out and ye shall find. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that bold. And I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing what we're told. I feel something so right.
So they met the first time about a year ago. But this is how my brother explains that. I was just flying, gonna catch up with my friends, and she happened to be in the way, and I just thought I might just say hello and then take off to my friends. So, well, that's how it all started.
Feel alive. I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Oh, take that money, watch it burn, sink in the river, the lessons I learned. Take that.
But then I'm definitely sure that there's some spells which Parul has left on my brother, that he never, turned his back on her, and then he always kept coming back for her.
Makes me feel alive. I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be the lessons I've learned.